Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are makeup free and fresh out the shower, and we're gonna be doing a another like skin care, not routine, but tip. Today we're gonna be doing a DIY face mask that is only using 2 ingredients. This mask definitely helps for like brightening the skin, lightening scars. It helps with acne. It does so many things. It's amazing. I absolutely love it. So yeah, let's get into it. So the reason why I started using this mask is because I have been able to clear my skin by just eliminating some products, finding better products that work better for my sensitive skin, and obviously changing my diet dramatically. There was like one thing that I noticed, like if I would still get breakouts here and there, it always leaves a scar. So like recently I wasn't doing this mask and I wasn't eating the best and I wasn't doing all of those things, and so I was wearing makeup like a lot more frequently, and so I broke out here, and then there was like one there and then one there. No matter what, if I don't pick at it, if I don't do anything to it, it leaves a scar. It's so annoying. I just wanted something that was going to lighten my skin, because although it was clear, it was still looking obviously like it wasn't, because I was having the post-acne scars. Then as you can see, like here and then like here from the photos, we'll do a close-up, and then like here, my skin overall is so much lighter, and those scars used to be so dark and now they're not. And so I highly recommend this mask if you're trying to lighten scars and just like brighten your skin overall. And then like I said, there is benefits to the fact that it also does help prevent acne and breakouts as well. It's just miracle ingredient. All you're gonna need is these 2 products. You need baking soda and you need coconut oil, and that's it. That's really it. That's all you need. It's crazy. It's ingenious. And I'm so glad that I looked it up on Pinterest somewhere, I think. Honestly, I don't remember where I saw it, so I can't like source it or give credit, but this is what I've been using. And so let's get this mask on. Okay. So like I said, guys, this is super simple. Start off with the baking soda, and I use a tablespoon for my measurements. So 1 tablespoon. So we're probably gonna do like 3 tablespoons. No, we'll do 2.5 tablespoons. And then if I feel like I need more, then I'll add more. But I kind of like go based off of consistency rather than like specific measurements. Like I don't want it to be too granulated. I don't want it to be too watery. So it's supposed to be more coconut oil than, like the ratio is not really even. But what I've been doing lately, and like what I found, is that it's working better when I make it more of a 1-to-1 ratio. So if I put in 2.5 tablespoons of baking soda, then I put in 2.5 tablespoons of coconut oil, and I feel like that's been giving me the best consistency. Whereas when I looked this up online, you know, it was saying things like 3 tablespoons of baking soda, but then 6 tablespoons of coconut oil. So it was like a 1-to-3 ratio. But I feel like this consistency's a bit better. I'll probably add just a little bit more baking soda because I don't want it too runny. That's the problem. This thing, because the coconut oil, man, does it slip and slide. It's crazy. So we'll pour just a little bit more baking soda in, just to thicken it up a tad. I love this little mixing bowl and this mask applicator. It's really great. Yeah, so that's pretty much good. Honestly, no matter, because of the coconut oil, it's gonna drip. Like it just is. It's not gonna be a super thick consistency. So I just try to make sure it's like really mixed together, and I got it all up the edges. And that's pretty much all you need. That's all I need for my face. Okay, so we already started applying the mask. I think I forgot to hit record, so I was literally talking to myself and the camera wasn't on. Whoops. Anyways, this mask is super messy, guys, so definitely put a towel down or do it over your bathroom sink. It seems like it's a pretty thick consistency, obviously, when it's in the bowl, but then when you start applying it to your face, the oil starts to heat up, so it gets super drippy. Like your body temperature like heats up the oil a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit on my face for about 10 minutes is like my personal sweet spot because I have sensitive skin, so I don't like to have it on my skin for too long. I will say, like, how runny this mask is quite annoying. So like obviously there are like brightening masks out there that won't be like all drippy like this. Like, that's not obviously a DIY thing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit on my face for about anywhere from 5 to like 15 minutes. I don't know, I just kind of see how I feel. And then we'll come back and take it off. So it's been almost 20 minutes. As you can see, it's still dripping. It's still really, like, it doesn't really ever dry. So you just kind of let it sit on your face. Oops, we don't wanna. Okay, so then, I like that a little bit. What I do normally is then I just start kind of like rubbing it in so gently. Because obviously the baking soda acts as an exfoliator and the coconut oil acts as a moisturizer. It's so great, but it is quite harsh, quite granulated, so you want to be like have a very like light touch. And I really like to go like around my nose area because baking soda is actually good for like blackheads and stuff too. So I really rub around there. But yeah, so I just kind of like rub it in so that it allows it to exfoliate my face a little bit. This is the only time that I exfoliate. So when I do this, I use this mask twice. It looks so gross. I probably should just like not talk right now and just do this. And just keep rubbing it around, and then I like really focus on the areas where like for some reason I think I know why, but I break out right here where like my ear and my jaw meet. It's probably just from like contouring and then like makeup, and then maybe I'm not cleaning that section of my face the best. I don't really know, but for some reason I break out really bad right there. Normally I would just go ahead and like rinse, just because I'm doing the video. I do have these little sponges that I could wet and just like wipe away when I'm doing face masks. So I do kind of like that, but the only problem is I'm just not in the bathroom right now, and so it's kind of, it's gonna get it off, but it's not gonna get completely off right now because I can't. I guess I should have got a bowl of water. That probably would have been helpful. Okay, so then I just rinsed, and it's pretty dry actually, almost straight away when I rinse it, but I pat dry with the microfiber towel. I always use a microfiber towel for my hair and my skin, just because it really is very soft on my skin. I like it. And then that always ends up happening, like my face is super clear, but then I, for some reason, end up missing it when I rinse on my neck. So I'm definitely gonna have to like go back and take care of my... And then we're just gonna go in with our rose quartz. I've been using, so I bought this for my last video. I bought this for my like quarantine glow up video, and honestly, like, I'm loving this thing. This is the vibrating one, and it just, like, using it on my skin, I don't know, it's so cooling and it feels great. So I've been using this a lot with the serum trio that I use every night. And so since I just applied a little bit of moisturizer, and I'm not gonna put any serums on tonight, so this is pretty much gonna be it for me today. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. That's how I've been lightening up my post-acne scars. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, you know, let's start leaving some comments down below. Let's do that. Let's start engaging, and just let me know maybe some masks that you've tried. You can leave the ingredients below to help me out or other people, or let me know if you decide to try this out and if it helps you. And so yeah, if you liked the video, go ahead and click the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you never miss a future upload. And until next time guys, much